Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, do you want me to do it then?
Thank you.
And there we are. There we have it.
Nice. Huh. This is not what I expected. You okay?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Those barytes along there. It's a big chamber. I expected it just to be a tunnel all the way through. Cool.
Yes, it's actually forward. Climb.
Oh wow.
What?
There you go. It's purple.
Here we are. Oh, look above.
Wow. That's Blue John. Ah, yes, look at that. That's a cracker of a vein.
This is literally a small tunnel of Blue John. It's so cool.
It's really cool. Oh, there's veins of it everywhere.
Did you see the bits on the ground?
What, these tiny little
The
chunks?
tiny, yeah, like ground, like little
Oh yeah.
all Blue John.
I'm glad they're looking after this place.
Yeah, same.
Because if we extract everything, then at least there's one place that's still got it naturally in the ground. It's going somewhere. Way up. They're not new. They're of a decent age. Oh. Yeah, they got ring pulls. That one's very heavy. That's good. Bless you. Got a date on it? Oh, it's Schweppes. It had one. It's not visible anymore. Oh wow. That's like a show cave, what? Got a railing. Perfect, pristine. Yeah, perfect size rope.
Yeah, so we managed to pick the perfect size rope by accident, I think. I think look at the survey didn't have.
And your lovely rope work.
And it's all right, just something to hold on.
I mean, it's all right.
And then I did manage to do this exactly that. I think we're coming up to 90 metres shortly.
Must be. We've gone some length. Oh. These are proper my workings to go everywhere.
It's Blue John dust. Oh my god.
What?
You're gonna love this. Oh my god.
Did it just open up?
No, but it does something cool.
Whoa. Wow, that's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, it does open up. Oh, wow. Look how well. All this vein with the way the lines are formed. It's so perfect.
Beautiful.
That's stunning.
Oh. Oh.
And then look at the wall at the back. All those rigid lines.
Look at that. That's pure Blue John right there. Can't get any better than that, can you?
Oh wow, it's all above our head, it's just covered in muck. The lines keep going. Wow. Further up in this vein, I couldn't tell you how old they are. There's some bottles. They must be of a decent age because, well,
Glass.
it's been locked off for so long. It's quite a chunky top to it. I don't think it's too old though.
Look at this. That's probably the best stain I've seen today.
Oh, it's a thick one.
Look at that.
Very dark.
It's beautiful. It's so clean cut, you know.
Yeah, wow, there's really deep purples here. Wow.
Looks like someone's come before us and put out some pieces for us to see. But
Oh yeah, someone's been there. Observing.
this is interesting, actually.
Tiny little piece.
Very greeny. Looks like there's water down there. What am I going to do? I'm going to pee.